Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to create these large library cards. Library pockets, not library cards. I posted, I think, a few videos back, just doing a project share with these, and I got a lot of ladies asking me how to create them and the measurements. And I did put the measurements on that video, but I understand how it could be a little bit confusing. So I figured, why not create a base with you guys here today. I'm not going to decorate, I'm not going to fill it. I'm just going to create the main pocket so that you guys know how to get to making your whole little library pocket. Now, I've already created this little base and like this little pocket so you guys can see the two pieces, but we're going to cut up two pieces of paper so you guys can see how they actually get done and how simple it is. So let me grab some paper. So this is basically your pocket and this is basically your base. So I need to just grab a punch and two more papers to cut one up with you guys. Give me 1 second. I forgot the corner round punch. Now you don't have to have this one. You can have the corner punch that's a little bit smaller, but I kind of like the look of the wider corner, so that's why I use that one. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our first piece of paper. You guys, I'm loving this collection. This is the Echo Park Happy Birthday Girl. Oh my god, look at these papers. Aren't they like super fun? I love them so much. I'm going to be creating, I think I've printed them out like 4 times already. There's so many projects that I have planned with this paper. We'll do these two right here because they seem fun. Okay. Sorry if you hear construction. They're working in the back of my house. Okay. So let's get started here. We grab our little paper. And our first measurements are going to be, okay, I think it's 4 7/8. Okay, so your base, we're going to create the base right now. And it's going to be 4 7/8 by 7 3/8. So I'll do the 7 3/8 and then I'll flip it and do the 4 7/8. And then we're just going to cut our paper. And I'll have everything down below once again on this video. I just figured if I show you guys, it'll be much easier. So the base is 4 7/8 by 4 no, yeah. Is it 7 3/8? I'm all confused here because I think I wrote it wrong. But it's 4 7/8 by 7 3/8. That's what it is. And this is what we get. So I hope I didn't confuse you guys there. I was a little confused myself. These are your top corners. So that's what you're going to punch right there. And as you can see, your base is formed. See? And if you want it to be like extra sturdy, you can do a kind of like mat it with another piece of cardstock. But mine is fine like this. I don't have the, oh, actually I have a double-sided paper, but you can have a double-sided paper too. I don't have, I should have done the printing double-sided, but since I'm just showing you guys, that's fine. So now we're going to create our little pocket, which would be this part right here of the library card. And those measurements are 5 7/8 by 4 7/8. So 5 7/8. Flip it over by 4 7/8. Okay. So we're going to cut this piece out. And cut this piece out. Okay, so you're left with something that looks like this, and it should be just that. Let's see. Yep, 5 7/8 by 4 7/8. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna score your pocket at 1/2 inch, and then you're gonna score it at 5 3/8. Then you're gonna turn it over and score at 1/2 inch on the bottom. And this is what you should have. So you should have these two lines scored right here and this one right here. When you flip it over, you see your score lines. Now, so that there's not so much bulk at your ends when you're gonna make your pocket, what you're gonna wanna do is kind of like just cut like a little triangle shape right here. See that? So you should end up with something that looks like that. Then you're gonna fold. Where's my... Fold your score lines. So everything is nice and seamless. And there's your pocket. Now, on my library pocket, I have this little punch right here. All you need is a 1 inch punch. What you want to do is just punch it right in the center as best as you can. And then we're going to glue it down. So I'm going to grab my ATG gun. Put some glue down here. Ooh. Okay, and then we grab our base, and then you just put your pocket down. And ta-da! You guys have a super cute library pocket, library card pocket. And then you can just stuff it with all the goodies that you guys would want. Like in this one, I told you guys that I had like a doily. You can make one of these to match with the collection and just add whatever you want. And it's super cute little project that you can share with your pen pals. I hope this video helped you guys. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask them down below. I answer, trust me. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell to get notified when I upload videos. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.